So when will XRP rally? When will it start to go back up? I'm going to give you 3 or 4 things out there that you need to be aware of that are somewhat negative, obviously, in relationship to knowing what's going on in the larger crypto market and then the stock market and the corollary between those two. But also, we're going to talk about the positives here. We're going to talk about the massive opportunity that's out there for XRP and kind of when and what's going to happen for XRP to start rising in this video. As always, if you're new to me, hit that subscribe button. Please drop a like on this video, and we're going to go through this right now. So right now on the right-hand side where my mouse is moving, you see this. We're in this fear and greed index. We have a 38 fear. There's a lot of fear and uncertainty and doubt in the crypto market, and it is impacting XRP. Right now, XRP's price is up 0.7% as of the recording of this video. So kind of going back to this fear and greed index scenario, we've got this playing out. The Fed signaling keeping the rates higher longer, and the continued fallout, if you will, of inflation and the government trying to fight inflation. Inflation, by the way, is not a United States problem. It's a global scenario. But more importantly, we got fear and uncertainty out there, right? We've got this keeping rates higher longer. It's north of 7+% if you want to go buy a house. People are not buying houses. The housing market's slowing down. Housing market is one of the biggest pillar and one of the biggest drivers of the global economy. And I'm not just talking about the United States housing market. I'm talking about global housing market, right? And when stuff costs more, people don't spend money. And again, fear and uncertainty and doubt. People are literally, in my opinion, putting money under their mattress or in their mattress, if you get my point, right? To use that metaphor, people are afraid. You've got in the last 48 hours or so, people talking more and more about how crypto and stocks are now tied. And when the crypto is getting moved down because of the Dow dropping 300 points, amid economic uncertainty. And it's those 2 words, economic uncertainty, that's out there that continues to be the narrative. Let me tell you something. I would love to make a video and not talk about uncertainty and not talk about, inflation and the Fed and all that stuff. I would prefer not to do it. It's one of those things where I am tired of talking about it as well. Okay. That's all the bad. Okay. Now let's take a look real quickly at the good, right? The opportunities that are out there for crypto is we have the Bitcoin ETF. We all know about this. When the Bitcoin ETF from BlackRock, from Fidelity, and all of the major other, ones out there, when that continues and finally gets approved, I think that's going to be the spark that's going to ignite everything. Period. End of story. That's going to begin the bull run. Secondly, we've got Bitcoin halving event out there, and everybody agrees, bears and bulls agrees, that we'll see Bitcoin go north of 100,000. When those 2 events happen, the ETF approval and the Bitcoin halving happens, you're going to see XRP go up dramatically and go up through the roof, north of $2, $3, $4, $5, in my opinion, because it will rise along with the rest of the crypto market. That's it. But right now, it's uncertainty. Right now, we've got, the correlation between the stocks and crypto. We've got the fear and uncertainty out there. We've got all that kind of stuff. And the only thing that's going to get rid of the fear and uncertainty as it relates to crypto is to remove a fairly high percentage of the negative press and negative sentiment that is out there. And the 2 big things that can do that is the approval of the Bitcoin ETF, which makes crypto, quote, air quotes, cool or good. You get my point, which is laughable. It is, but opens it up to Main Street America and Main Street world, right? Okay. To the masses is what I mean. And that's trillions and trillions and trillions of dollars. We know this. Okay. The Bitcoin halving event, everybody knows that that's going to make crypto move back up. It's just, we got to get through these turbulent times. Okay. So that's all I've got for you in that context. If you're interested in my trading software, X1 Algo, link in the description below. Check it out. I'm probably going to be taking that discount code away. It's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. I've been using my trading indicator to buy and sell very specific cryptos that I've identified as great opportunities, as well as stocks and things like that. And I'm also building a Discord group as we speak for a community, a support community around my software. It's coming very, very, very soon. People will be trading, will be sharing their winning trades and their winning, opportunities they see and things like that. So if you're interested, Check it out. Links in the description below. After the discount code down there, my software would cost you $1.23 a day. That's less than it costs you for a cup of coffee. I think Starbucks is north of $4 or $5. So is your crypto profit investing strategy and maybe getting a little bit help by identifying opportunities of when to buy and sell certain cryptos or stocks or anything worth more than $1.23 to you a day? Oh, by the way, with a 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee. So you can try it for free effectively for 30 days. If you don't like it, you get a complete refund. $1.23. Is it worth it to you? Maybe to give yourself a little bit of help in knowing when to buy and when to sell any and all cryptos, Forex, stocks, etc. And you can use it anywhere in the world. Link description below. Get it.